efficiently. They're super fast and energy efficient, but they lack flexibility. Once an ASIC is made, its function can't be altered. Finally, field programmable gate arrays, or FPGAs. These are reconfigurable chips that offer a balance between the versatility of GPUs and the efficiency of ASICs. They can be reprogrammed to perform different tasks, but this flexibility comes at a cost of lower performance and greater complexity. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's all about finding the right fit for your specific needs. Choosing the right hardware is a crucial step in building a custom AI processor, but your work doesn't stop there. With your hardware chosen, it's time to design and implement your AI processor. The first step is defining the architecture of your processor. This involves determining how your processor will handle data and instructions. It's like creating a blueprint for a house, where every detail matters. Next, you'll need to set up the instruction set. This is the language your processor will understand and execute. It's crucial to keep it simple yet versatile to cater to a wide range of AI applications. Once the design phase is complete, we move on to implementation, which includes coding, testing, and debugging. Coding transforms your design into a working model. Testing ensures that your processor performs as expected, while debugging helps to iron out any kinks. Remember, perfection is a process, not a destination. Designing and implementing your AI processor can be a challenging process, but the end result is a processor tailored to your specific AI needs. Building a custom AI processor is no small feat, but it's well within your reach. We've journeyed through understanding your specific needs, selecting the right hardware, and the crucial steps of designing and implementing your very own processor. It's a challenging yet rewarding process, one that puts you at the helm of technological advancement. With these steps, you can build a custom AI processor that powers your AI applications just the way you want. Remember, the future of technology is in your hands.